Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for yet another Sephora play unboxing. I'm so excited for this video because I love doing this. I decided not to do it for a while because I just didn't get a lot of views on my last one, and I don't want to be that person that comes on here and complains, but I just feel like it's important to be honest about and document, how I'm feeling, because I know other people watch my videos sometimes and I will get comments asking, how I decided to do this or what my thoughts and feelings were about this. And my entire point of starting this channel was for me to reach other people and to do things that I enjoy, and I feel like I'm not being genuine if I don't film and put things out there that mean something to me and that make me happy just because I don't feel like I'm getting as much attention. Because I didn't do this for attention. I did it because I've wanted to film and have a channel for a long time, and that's why I committed myself to it, and that's why I'm doing it. So, but I will continue to upload them until I no longer feel the need to or desire to. So in this month's box, we have this beautiful bag that says Glam Straight. I am very in love with this design because it is a very, very, very beautiful bag that is reminiscent of The Great Gatsby. If you guys have ever seen Great Gatsby the movie, and you guys have seen kind of their concept design, I'm talking the newer one, not the 1940s one, but the one with Leonardo DiCaprio that came out within the past 5 years, you will see that this does have a very Gatsby-esque design to it. So I'm very excited about that, and I think that it's really for the new year. You can tell it's for Christmas and holidays, the new year, and I feel like it's really exciting. It has something really cool. So it says it's just kind of a wrap up of all of 2017. So it says the playlist, thank you for playing with us this year, and it has some really great stats. So it tells you kind of just different things that everybody enjoyed the most. Everybody loved the July box the most. I don't know if I got the July box. Actually, I think I did. I don't know. Everybody, all the different things, the regions that they're most popular in. It just kind of gives you a little breakdown of everything from the year of 2017, which I think is pretty cool. And then it also just has all the products listed. I think this is my favorite pamphlet they've ever done because the way it's laid out is so nice, and it feels like something that you could actually want to hang up. The first thing I'm pulling out is this Clinique Pretty Easy liquid eyeliner pen. Saying easy to use liquid eyeliner with a precise tip to create smooth jet black lines. So that's really cool. Let's see if it actually does create smooth jet black lines. For those of you that don't know, I am very picky about my eyeliners. I do not enjoy eyeliners that are shiny. I like to have a matte finish for my eyeliners. The only times I can accept that is if I have a liner that I just really like the way that the tip works, so that it just gives me a really sharp wing. That's the only time I accept that, and even then I'm going over it with my gel liner afterwards in my little pot to make sure it stays matte. I am not a fan of liquid liners that don't dry down matte, so this is a test. It's a test of times, guys. I mean, okay, that line's better. The first line was a little bit, this line's better. I like it. I like the way the line's working. I'm not getting any skips. It's very fluid. I'm curious to see how it dries down. If I feel like it's drying down, not totally matte, but it's not so shiny that I feel like it will annoy me. So I am excited to give it a try. I will, of course, try it out. I have so many liquid eyeliners, and I try to use all of them as much as I can. Then if I don't, I mean, it's kind of hard to clean liquid liners, but if I need to, I can clean them, give them to my mom or my sister, because we don't really care about that. But my sister and my mom would probably enjoy it and not really care. My mom's always like, I birthed you. Give this to me. As far as liquid liners go, I have definitely seen, a worse line, a worse application, and I've seen worse shine on it that I didn't enjoy, so I'm not too upset or put out by the fact that this has a little bit of shine on it. I think I can handle that. The next thing in here is going to, alright, fuzzy, it's just dirtying my room up, I guess. Okay, the next thing in here is going to be this triple sec 3-in-1 hairspray from the Dry Bar. I believe it's a dry shampoo. I believe that's what it is. This is, I know, very popular. I personally don't use dry shampoo, so I will probably end up giving this away to one of my friends. But I do know that this is one of the most popular dry shampoos out there. It works really, really well. It's paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, phthalate. It's free of everything you don't want in your hair, okay? yeah, it's a really, I know that people that use it swear by it, so I know it's a good product. Your girl just won't be using it in her hair. It's basically what I'm trying to get out. Like, it's good, but it's not for me. But it's good, you know? The next thing in this box is this little mini tiny baby Makeup Revolution lipstick. I will say I wish it was just a little bigger. Just a tad bit bigger would have been fine with me. Like, I feel like I would have been fine if they were like, hey, let's make like a bigger lipstick to put in here and like a smaller eyeliner, because I don't know if I'm gonna use all that liner. But, you know, I'm a big lipstick junkie as it is, so. It looks like this. It's really cute. It's the Makeup Forever, and it's in the shade Artist Rouge, and it's a cream lipstick. So, let's see. Ooh, she's cute. She's a bright pink, too. Like, she's like, not like that bright. She's like a magenta, you know? If you guys have ever heard me talk about my, you know, Rocky Horror, because I am an actress, then y'all know how I feel about magenta and anything. So I'm going to put this right here, try to avoid all these lines I create on my hand. Okay, she is creamy. She's almost too creamy because I just almost broke her off right there. That's cute. You know what? I think I actually have a liquid lipstick that's very similar to this. I think my Smashbox liquid lipstick is basically the same shade. It's super pretty. I don't think I'll be rocking this anytime this winter. I think this is definitely more of like a not fall. Girl, who you playing? This is definitely more of a spring and summertime shade. Definitely, probably more so spring. I don't think I'll be wearing this in the next few months, but it's gorgeous and it's Makeup Forever, so it's super pigmented. But yeah, it's a really pretty color. I don't know why they put it with this box though, because who is wearing this color in wintertime? Like, who? I own this color. Who's wearing it? Next in the box, we have the Caudalie Vine Active Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream. This is supposed to be made with grapeseed oil, peptides, and some other things that basically help to depuff the eye area. I'm really excited. It technically, I think it's most known for helping with wrinkles. I obviously don't have wrinkles underneath my eyes, but it is supposed to smooth out and, you know, make everything look less sunken and more alive and more awake, and that's what I need, because even though I do have youthful skin, I don't necessarily have wrinkly issues. I do work. I just came from work right now, and I feel like I look a little bit tired on camera. I probably look even more tired in person. I think that this is just something that's going to be really helpful for days like that when I'm just feeling really down or feeling really tired. I need to pop something under my eyes. Right now, I am using the Algenist eye cream, and I do enjoy that, but I just feel like I need to try different eye creams to figure out which one is best for me and my skin and my needs. So I'm excited to try this and see how it works, because I've been really reading up on Caudalie and I've been really researching them, and I feel like they're going to be the perfect brand for some of my needs. So the next product in here is this Laura Mercier All Natural Caviar Eye Color Stick, and it's in the shade, I think it is in the shade Caviar. It's basically just an eye shimmer, I believe. I think it's just their classic shimmery cream eyeshadow. I haven't played around with this one too much, but it's this very pretty kind of light champagne-y pink shade. Oh, it's super pretty. So it's not, it's not a shimmer, it's more just like a creamy matte. That's a really nice shade. It's definitely not necessarily like a skin tone shade. For me, it's lighter than my skin tone. It's like a peachy nude. It looks like a peachy nude lipstick. But I think that's pretty. It's super, super creamy. You know, it applied very, very evenly and nicely on my hand. So this is going to be a really, really nice base shade. I feel like this is one of those shades you can pop this on your lid, you know, especially if you are this skin tone, is going to look perfect. For me, I'm going to have to work with it a little bit more. I can pop this on my lid, maybe pop like a little bit of shimmer on top and just something in my crease, and I'll be good to go. I am starting to get more into Laura Mercier, so I'm excited to I'm excited to experience all of her line. So the final product in this box is from Stella McCartney. It's 1.5 milliliters, and it is the Stella perfume. This is described as the first fragrance by Stella McCartney, inspired by the fragile beauty of a rose, contrasted by sensuality of amber. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I like it, but I feel like it's a little heavy for me. I don't know if it's right for me necessarily. I'm very picky about the type of scents that I wear, as you should be, because you know, scents are formulated to make you feel a certain way, and if they don't make you feel as amazing as they possibly could, then they're probably not right for you. But I don't know about this one. I like it, but I don't think that I'm going to like it on me. I didn't spray it on myself because I already have my perfume on right now, and I just don't want to risk mixing layers and not, you know, smelling weird for the rest of the night. But I will say that I did enjoy the scent on its own. So it's pretty. I just don't know how I would like it on myself, because I like it, but I'm kind of like, not necessarily like wanting to go and put it on. And that is absolutely everything that's in our Sephora box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe down below. And let me know if you are also subscribed to the Play by Sephora box. If you are, let me know what you got in your box this month, and let me know what you're hoping to get in your box in future months, because I actually have a lot of things that I'm personally hoping that we get, and a lot of things that I just, you know, haven't even thought of that I always am surprised and excited when we get. So let me know if you guys like this month's box. I will say I liked it, but I didn't like it as much as I've liked previous boxes. I feel like I've had previous boxes where I was a little bit more excited about what I got inside, and this one, the excitement wasn't as much there as it has been in the past. So I won't say this was one of my favorites, but I will say it was one that I had some interest in it. I had some interest in this box, but I think I had more excitement over the packaging, and the products inside didn't necessarily live up to the packaging. I was expecting a little bit more from how just beautiful and classy the packaging was. It was just very toned down, and I was expecting something a little bit louder, not necessarily, you know, the pink lipstick, but maybe like a bold red, or something that was just very like winter and true, but just kind of rang a little bit louder. So I am excited for all the products I did get in there, though, that I can, you know, wear on my own and wear in videos for you guys and tutorials. I already have some wild ideas for me in my mind, so I'm excited to share all of that with you guys in the future. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to share with your friends, and just join this community. I'm really trying to just build up a community. I don't want to just say, you know, subscribe. Like, if you enjoy it here, if you enjoy watching these videos, and if you want to help me to build this really lovely community where we can talk about beauty and makeup and things that make us happy and feel beautiful, then please join in, because I really would just love to have a really safe, loving, sharing space for everybody to be a part of. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, my loves.